The terrifying roar of a Tyrannosaurus rex sent shivers down the spines of audiences who went to see Jurassic Park at the cinema. But new research suggests dinosaurs may have produced a feeble-sounding cooing noise rather than the earth-shaking roar depicted on the big screen. The study examined how birds, the modern ancestors of the dinosaurs, produce calls with their mouths closed using a specialized vocal organ in their neck. By looking at how this ability evolved in birds sheds light on how dinosaurs may have also produced sound, according to the researchers. These closed-beak vocalizations are created by the bird pushing air into a pouch in their neck. This creates a muffled sound that is generally much deeper than other calls made by birds. Doves use this to produce their distinctive cooing noise, while ostriches also use it for their strange booming mating call. Looking at the distribution of closed-mouth vocalization in birds that are alive today could tell us how dinosaurs vocalized, said Shada Lyson, a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Texas and the study's co-author. Our results show that closed-mouth vocalization has evolved at least 16 times in archosaurs, a group that includes birds, dinosaurs and crocodiles. Interestingly, only animals with a relatively large body size, about the size of a dove or larger, use closed-mouth vocalization behavior. To conduct their study, which is published in the journal Evolution, the scientists used a statistical approach to analyze the distribution of this vocal ability among birds and other reptilian groups. In total, the researchers identified 52 out of 208 investigated bird species used closed-mouth vocalization. Professor Tobias Reed, a physiologist at Midwestern University and the study's first author, said the association with large bodies is a matter of physics. The inflation of an elastic cavity could present a size-dependent challenge, said Professor Reed said. The lung pressure required to inflate a cavity depends on the tension in the wall of the cavity, and this tension increases for smaller body sizes. Despite the depictions in Hollywood films, scientists still have little idea about the noises produced by dinosaurs and their extinct relatives. Fossil evidence is unable to provide information about the soft tissue needed to produce and control vocalizations. However, both birds and crocodiles, the two surviving groups of archosaurs, produce closed-mouth vocalizations and can give clues about how dinosaurs may have communicated. The noise produced by air being pushed into the esophageal pouch transmits sound through the skin and muscle. In crocodiles, these closed-mouth vocalizations create a deep rumbling territorial call that can often make the water dance due to the vibrations. In large dinosaurs, it is likely such vocalizations would be very deep indeed and may even have been beyond human hearing. It raises a tantalizing prospect that the animals could have used low-frequency communication like infrasound, something that large mammals like elephants are known to do today. Professor Reed said the occurrence of closed-mouth vocalization in crocodiles and birds makes it likely that at least some dinosaurs may also have evolved this method of communication. He said, "A cool thing about this work is the demonstration that closed-mouth behavior evolved many times. That suggests it can emerge fairly easily and be incorporated into mating displays." Professor Julia Clark, a paleontologist at the Jackson School of Geosciences who was also involved in the study, said genetic studies and modeling could help to reveal more about the noises produced by dinosaurs. She added, "To make any kind of sense of what non-avian dinosaurs sounded like, we need to understand how living birds vocalize. This makes for a very different Jurassic world. Not only were dinosaurs feathered, but they may have had bulging necks and made booming, closed-mouth sounds."